Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I eat during quarantine for 3 days. So in this video, you'll see that I'm eating like smaller portions compared to my first what I eat in a day. And that's because I'm trying to lose weight. So during quarantine, I gained a few pounds naturally and I'm trying to lose that weight. So I'm currently in calorie deficit, which means that I'm eating fewer calories that is required to maintain my body weight just so that I can lose weight. Yeah, I currently eat 1,200 to 1,300 calories a day, I think. And this helps if you track your calories using like one of those apps. I use the Fitness Pal. And you can also weigh your food and such if you want to take it up a notch. It really sucks that my gym isn't open and all that, but I've been doing a lot of cardio and a lot of hits just to shed weight. I also do weights too, just so I can keep my strength, because being strong is very important for me. And yeah, so that's all that I've been doing. So thank you guys so much for watching and see you in my next one.
She a sip pine and ginger. Me tell her if you wine pan the thing, but she no play that. She a sip pine and ginger.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there.
So the first thing I like to do is drink a glass of water in the morning, and then I start making my lemon tea. And what I like to do for this currently is put a dash of apple cider vinegar and some cinnamon. And lately I've been putting cayenne pepper. I just started doing that like a few days ago, and I actually like it. It gives it a spicy kick, and I'm really digging that right now. So yeah.
Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it?
I also wanted to mention that this is great for weight loss. I don't believe in any kind of flat tummy teas or that kind of stuff. I just like to use whatever I have in my kitchen, and I find it to work for my body. I've been like doing this for years, and it works. I used to take shots of olive oil. I'm gonna get back on that. Olive oil is just really expensive, but yeah, this is just what works for me, and it's not, it doesn't taste that bad. Okay, you can do it.
My face, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we?
So I think I have this like 30 minutes after drinking the tea, maybe, or an hour. So this is a, what would you call, like a bean corn salsa. I didn't make it that day, I made it the night before, but I'll have the ingredients in the description box. It's really easy. The only thing you cook is like the corn, and you just grill it a bit, and then you mix all the ingredients together. It's really yummy. I have it with some like chips, and it's so good.
When we're with our friends, there's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow?
After my HIIT workout, I decided to try this Breakfast Essentials high protein drink, and I didn't like it. After I was reading the nutrition facts right there, because I guess I didn't do it at the grocery store, which I usually always check nutrition facts of everything I buy, and it has a lot of sugar, and I just didn't like the taste of it. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish it just because I don't want to waste my money though. Next up is my avocado toast, which I absolutely love. Avocado is the best thing ever, and this is pretty straightforward, so I don't have to like tell you guys much about it.
I know you know, I know you don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. Did you play your part, hand too hard? Yeah, did you let me in? Enough to waste every bit of ice. I can hear your thoughts loud and clear. You don't need to say a thing, my dear. Pretend that I'm not here. All I seek is some honesty, a stray of light in my darkest fears. I know you know, I know. You don't care about my
So for dinner, I had cereal that day because I was feeling tired. I just wanted to go to bed. So I just had cereal, and this cereal is very high in protein. I think it's 12 grams protein, and that doesn't include the things that I add to it, the extras. But this cereal is the best cereal in the whole entire world. It tastes so good, and I enjoy eating it. It's just, I'll eat it. I could eat it all day long. It's just the best cereal ever.
I know you know, I know you don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. My love, oh my love.
And of course, the next day I had my tea. If you're gonna try this, make sure any apple cider vinegar you get has mother in it. That's just the best one to get.
You will get no less than you deserve. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town ain't crazy, nobody guesses. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I feel. It's the way you do your thing, and the feeling is so real, and I never wanna leave.
This day for breakfast I had oatmeal, and I made that in a pot, and I added some strawberries, some bananas, and granola, and I topped it off with some raw honey.
The world is gonna let 'em tear us apart. So why won't you put your love on me now? So put your love on me now. So put your love on me, darling. Put your love on me now. Trust me, the grass ain't greener on the other side. Need you to trust me.
Okay, so this day I didn't have lunch, or did I? I probably had like cheese sticks and like crackers for lunch, just because I was busy. And yeah, so for dinner I had a baked tilapia, asparagus, and tomatoes, and I did everything in one pot and then just put it in the oven. It was like pretty simple. I seasoned like the vegetables with olive oil and like black pepper and garlic salt, and then tilapia I did like put up more seasoning on it, but just like my regular type of seasonings. Like everyone seasons everything differently, but like yeah. And I put like a little bit of vegan butter on it, and that was it. I threw that in the oven, I think like for 15 minutes or so. And then I did some potatoes. I took a meat pounder and I pound it or whatever to break it apart, because I wanted to have like a broken texture. To me, texture is very important. I just like things to be look a certain way for it to look delicious to me in my head. But anyways, yeah, I put that in the oven as well, and I think I did like a little salad. Yeah, this is how it looked. So yummy, so delicious. I did a little salad and I made my own dressing because it's low in calories when you make your own dressing. All I did was honey and olive oil and some lemon juice, and yeah, this was the finished product. Very delicious. Yeah, and I put some avocados, and this is what I have for like a little dessert, some Italian ice.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind and not ready to go. Get out while we're whole. Now take my advice. Take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know.
Got these frozen packets from Whole Foods. You can also get them from Target. And this specific kind has protein powder and strawberries in it. There's one that doesn't have the protein powder or the strawberries. And this does come in, you can get a powdered form, but I did get the frozen packets. And I like to add like a little bit of oat milk and some blueberries to it, and probably like some days I'll add like a banana or some strawberries. It depends on what I have that day. So yeah, that's all you do when you just blend it and you get that smoothie thick consistency.
Behind and not ready to go. Get out while we're whole. Now take my advice. Take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink. We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean.
I added some granola, this particular kind I like in my acai bowl, and I added some strawberries and bananas. You can add whatever fruit you like. And I also added some shredded coconut, and this was organic and unsweetened coconut flakes. And then I topped it off with some honey, raw natural honey.
No more couple invitations. I wanna let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so right.
For dinner this day, I decided to make fish tacos, and I wanted to make like a green crema sauce for the fish tacos. It's really simple. I didn't even look up a recipe for this, and it was so delicious. I definitely think you should try to make it too.
Looking at you all day, looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Oh, when you smile at me like that, hey, I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time.
This was the finished product, guys, and I'm telling you, it was so good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Bye, guys.
For you.